You got some bad guys hanging around your neighborhood. You need to feel safe and secure at night. Here you go, solar battery wireless security camera. First thing out of the box is a sticker that tells people that want to do bad things to your house that you got 24-hour surveillance. Instruction manual, solar panel with a very long cord, the camera, mounting templates, looks like a couple different ways to mount, a couple packets of mounting screws, and a USB-C cable. As far as the camera, you got a bunch of stuff in the front, looks like infrared sensors, the camera motion detection sensor. Up top, there's a rubber flap covering the TF card slot. There's a micro USB port. This does have an internal battery. They tell you to charge it up for 8 to 10 hours before you mount it. One of the nice things about this is the cord. You put this in a place where, you know, it's underneath the eave. You can throw the solar panel out about 10 feet. You do want to put this close to your Wi-Fi receiver. Mine's just about 15 feet away. This is the home screen of the app. Underneath the live view, you have a screenshot. It's going to save to your photos. You got the intercom.
If there's any bad guys out there, I want you to know that you ought to go punch yourself right in the face.
Okay, how's the audio coming in? There's a vent in the corner, so it might be a little bit loud.
You can manually record. And that does save to the phone. Motion detection is turned on. You can adjust the detection sensitivity from 1 to 10. You can do power saving mode or performance mode. Performance mode does drain the battery more, or do a custom mode. And you got alert plan. You can set when you want alerts to happen. So if your kids are out playing in the yard, it's not going to send you a notification every 2 seconds. You can adjust the motion detection area, audio warning and strobe light. When motion or humanoid is detected, the camera will sound and light alarm. I just want to do the light. I don't think I need the alarm. All right, that's it for the motion detection. So here's where you can adjust your camera, and you have almost 360 rotation. You can turn the light on and off. On the second screen, siren. Full color mode at night. So you got intelligent vision, automatically cuts to color images when object movement. So it's automatically black and white. If there's movement, it will go into full color. And then you got the album. You can check out your screenshots or recorded videos. If you add an SD card, then you can view the history. And then you got the cloud, which you do have the first 7 days free. After that, you have to pay for a subscription. So going back to the home screen, if you tap that, there's an SD icon here. You can switch that to 5MP. Hit that, and then you got a full view. And then if you tap the screen, you can record, screenshot, talk, turn the speaker off, and then adjust. And the quality on that is pretty awesome. That is crystal clear. And then there's a bunch of stuff you can do in the settings. You can share the device, image settings, sound settings, alarm management, battery management. This is where you set up Amazon and Google. And that is pretty much it.